So if I do up like...
We have everything separated by, you know, all the food, all the toiletries, we got water, we got dog food, we got bedding, we have tents. We serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner for volunteers and for people coming in here. We have a large section of clothing and stuff over here. It's sorted by size, shoes, everything.
What brings me here is the love, the help, encouragement, and to have a shoulder to lean. People can come and lean on, and to give a hand to help.
So we got some gas masks today, and I've got a couple of cats that we're trying to get where I wouldn't go back in.